Hey Jay, this is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Just want to reach out to you with a quick video walk around of a Sonata that you inquired about. Hey, as you know, and I know, Hyundai takes safety very, very serious. So we're going to go over a couple of those features, as well as America's best warranty. Yes, that's right, America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 miles, bumper to bumper. And here at Tameron Hyundai, we're going to double the powertrain warranty for you and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles. So Jay, come inside. Let's take a quick look at this video. It does feature the Hyundai waterfall grille, as well as the wraparound headlights, aluminum alloy wheels. Again, some of that safety has blind spot detection. It's going to alert you and let you know that there is a vehicle located on the side of you. And if you come inside, we're going to hit a couple of quick features. This vehicle does feature the Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operation, not only to answer phone calls, but send text messages, things of that nature. Because again, Hyundai takes safety very serious. They want your mind and your focus on the road where it should be, Jay. Hey, you come see me. I have your Sonata right here. Nate, Tameron Hyundai, located 1 mile north of the Galleria here on Highway 31. You're going to love the way you're treated.